beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I am back with my luxury wish list. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you are new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. And I also love pink. So if you are into any of that, you've come to the right place. Please consider subscribing. Also click that notification bell and follow me on social medias. I do post a lot of like pictures and inspirational pictures, so check it out. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So ever since I've been home and can't do any physical shopping, I've been just going online and just browsing and making a list of things that I really want to add to my collection in the future. This is not something that I'm just going to run out and get. Obviously, I can't. I know like this whole situation is so bad right now and a lot of people are not working. They've lost their jobs. And I totally get you. I am in the same boat as you guys. I've also lost my job and it's horrible because it's like you don't know what your future is going to be like. So it's definitely scary. But not because of that is going to stop me from dreaming and, you know, wanting to be positive. I want to be positive and I'm always like that. You know, I always look forward to good things in life. And even though I don't know what it's going to be like in the near future, but at least I can stay positive, have a goal, have something to look forward to. And I feel like that is what keeps me motivated. And I just don't want to feel, you know, depressed and sad and be down. I want to feel motivated and it just makes me feel good inside. So if you guys also have your own list, I would really love to hear what is in your wish list. But let me tell you guys what is one thing that I really want to add to my collection. So one thing I want to add is the Louis Vuitton Pink Vernis Alma. And this bag is so beautiful. It's pink. It's like tiny. It's like I think it's called the BB size, but it's like absolutely adorable. And I think like that would look so pretty in my collection. However, it is very hard to find right now, so I would definitely have to find it like secondhand because they don't currently make it anymore, at least on the Louis Vuitton website. So that is something that I really am looking forward to. Another thing that I would really love to add to my collection is the Louis Vuitton Locky BB, and it's in the Rose Poudre and Monogram print, which is like two prints, and it looks beautiful. Just a combination of like the Rose Poudre and the Monogram I think looks stunning. I've always loved combinations, so I think that would be also like a great addition. I know that one also comes in like entirely pink. That one is also very pretty, so I don't know if I would get like the all pink one or the Monogram with pink. So about 3 years ago I had the favorite MM and I really loved that bag, but I ended up selling it and I don't even know why I sold it. I totally regret it. It was like a crossbody. It also had like a little chain. It was so versatile. It was the perfect size and I sold it. So I really want to get it back. However, they don't have it on their website. Every time I look, it says out of stock, call to check, and it's just never been there. I don't even think they make it anymore. I know they don't make the PM size anymore, but the MM size is still on their site. So I have the little mini pochette and it's so cute. I've had this for about 4 years. I use this as like my little wallet and I also use it as a little crossbody and I really love this. I think I want to get the Damier Azur if I can ever find it. It's so hard to get. So if I can ever get my hands on the Damier Azur one, that would be like amazing. This here is like so cute, so versatile, and if you really want to get something from Louis Vuitton, I would highly suggest you guys get this. So there's another bag that just recently came out. I saw it on their website and I was like, oh my goodness, this is like the perfect bag. It's called the Damier Azur Croisette Wallet on Chain, and it's just like the croisette, but it looks a little bit different. It's more like like square, and it has a little bit of pink on the outside, which I totally love because like the contrast of the light pink and the damier azur, I think it's stunning. So that is something that I would really love to get. Also, the price point on that I think is great, so that would definitely be on my list. So another bag that I would really love to have is the Neverfull MM in the damier azur with the pink interior. I think that bag is so beautiful and it's just so girly. I love the pink lining. I think that bag would be like the perfect thing for me. And I do have the Neverfull in the PM size. I've had this for 5 years, I think, and it's one of my favorite bags and I really love it. I think it's like perfect. It's small, it doesn't lose its shape, but I would really love to have the damier azur. I think that color is just so pretty. So moving away from Louis Vuitton, I know I've said a lot of like Louis Vuitton. I really love that brand, but there's a brand that I don't have and I would really love to have a purse, and that is a Gucci bag. I would really love to get the Gucci Marmont. I think that's what it's called. Gucci Marmont, the Metalace. I hope I'm not butchering that. It's the bag that has the little heart in the back and it has like the GG hardware in the front. And it has like a little flap. It's like a tiny little bag, but it's so cute. You can use it as a crossbody. It also has like a gold chain. So I would really love to have that one in that like rose nude color. I think that color is so pretty and it goes with everything. So there's also 2 pairs of shoes that I am dying to get, and that is the Valentino Rockstud stilettos in that beautiful like nude soft pink. And I would really love to get those because I think that color is just perfect. I do wear a lot of like white and pink tones, so I think like those would just, you know, go perfect with my outfits. There's also another pair of shoes that I think are just so pretty, so elegant, and that is the Jimmy Choo, I think they're called, and they're called the Jimmy Choo Bling Patent Crystal Strap in nude. And those shoes, you guys, oh my goodness, they are the most beautiful shoes ever. They are a little bit on like the pricier side, and it's also hard to get in my number. I have like looked at their website and it's so hard to get the number that I'm looking for, but I think those shoes are just so pretty and so elegant, and they would look so amazing with like a dress or like a pair of jeans. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed my video, and I would really love to hear what's on your wish list. Like I said, this is like a video to keep us motivated and something to look forward to. So I really hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.